So, good afternoon, all. So, we will up to in the last lecture we have completed the series resonance part in the unit number 2, and based on that we are going to solve the numerical problems, and we have solved two problems yesterday in the last lecture. So today we will continue with the same, that is we are going to solving the numerical problems. So take down the third problem. For the circuit shown in figure for the circuit shown in figure, okay, determine determine the frequency determine the frequency at which determine the frequency at which the circuit resonates at which the circuit resonates. Also find voltage across inductor. Also find voltage across inductor at resonance and quality factor and quality and and quality factor of the circuit. So this is the question here. So what are the RLC values given, that we will see in the network diagram. So RLC are connected in series. For that series combination, AC source is connected, that is 100 VRMS. 10 ohm is the value of resistor. Value of inductor is 0.1 H, and value of capacitor is 50 microfarad. Okay, so these are the given things. So carefully observe and carefully read the question. For the circuit shown in figure, determine the frequency at which circuit resonates. So what you have to find here? You have to find out the resonance frequency. Okay, that is the first point. Second one, also find voltage across inductor at resonance. That is VL you have to find out at resonance. Third one, find out quality factor of the circuit, that is Q. Q you have to find out. So what are the given things? RLC values are given. Okay, so we will start to solve this problem. First of all, we will write what are the given things in the circuit. So from the circuit, R value is 10 ohm, L value is 0.1 H, and C value is 50 microfarad. Okay, so these are the given things. So first of all, based on the L and C values, we can find out the resonant frequency. The resonant frequency we can calculate based on the value of L and C. So resonant frequency is denoted as FR. So FR of series circuit is 1 upon 2 pi under root ELC. So how to identify here series circuit? Because R, L and C are connected in series here. Okay. In the question they not mentioned anywhere in the series. Series word is not mentioned. So based on the diagram you have to identify that the numerical problem is based on the series resonance circuit. Okay. So resonant frequency of the series resonance is given as FR is equal to 1 upon 2 pi into under root LC. So put the value of L and C and tell the answer. So L value is L value is 0.1 into C value is 50 into 10 raised to minus 6. So tell the answer of resonant frequency. Anyone? What is the answer of FR? किती आले? Okay, very good. So FR value is 71.17 hertz. So this is the answer of resonant frequency. Very simple calculations are there. You have to use the calculator properly. You have to mention the values properly. Many students are forgetting to mention 10 raised to minus 6 here. Only they are putting 50. But what is the value of capacitor, that you can carefully read and observe. 50 micro is there. Okay, micro means 10 raised to minus 6. If you are not putting 10 raised to minus 6, you will get the wrong answer. So second one. So what is the second one? Voltage across inductor at resonance. So first of all, to find out voltage, we need to calculate the current. Therefore, first of all, we calculate the current. The current at resonance. The current I at resonance. So what is the equation of the current at resonance? That is I is equal to total voltage V divided by total impedance. So what is the value of total impedance at resonance? That is V divided by R. Okay, so I is equal to, so what is the voltage value? Voltage, if it is AC, it should be converted into VRMS. So already VRMS is given. जर AC source असेल आणि voltage value दिलं असेल, then take as 100 here. So I is equal to 100 divided by what is the value of resistor? That is 10. So I value we got, that is 10 ampere. Okay, so now after this we can easily find out the voltage across that inductor. So how to find out voltage across inductor at resonance? So here, therefore, voltage, or we can say third part, voltage across inductor, voltage across inductor at resonance is, so what is the formula? That VL is equal to I into XL. Okay, so in that I we must know. Okay, that is 10. So I into what is XL? How to find out XL? Anyone? How to find out XL? Okay, very good. 2 pi FR into L, because at resonance is there. So at resonance, what is the value of XL? 2 pi FR into L, where FR is the resonance frequency, L is the inductor value, and I we got 10. Okay, put each and every value. 10 into 2 pi into resonance frequency we got 71.17, and inductor is 0.1. So calculate and tell the answer of VL. Hello, what is the answer you got? Okay, that is 447.2 volt. I got this answer, 447.2 volt. Okay, so everyone getting same answer? Everyone is getting same answer? Apart from this, anyone got the different answer? ह्याच्यापेक्षा कोणाचं वेगळं आलंय का आन्सर? Okay. Okay. Now this is the voltage across inductor at resonance. Now fourth point, that is the quality factor. Quality factor of the circuit. So how to find out quality factor? There are the number of formulas are there to find out Q. Any one formula you can use. As we know the inductor, as we know the capacitor, resistor, omega. So what is the quality factor here? Omega L by R, किंवा 1 upon omega C R, whichever you can use. So omega means what? 2 pi FR into L divided by R. So omega is nothing but 2 pi FR. So put the values now. 2 pi, okay, FR value is 71.17 into L is 0.1 divided by 10. R is the 10. So find out Q value. किती येते Q? 4 point? Yes, very good. 4.47 is the correct. 4.47 is the answer of cube. Okay, so we got each and every answer. So any doubt in this problem particularly? या प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये काय डाउट? Okay, चलो now we can move towards the question number 4. Question number 4, write down everyone. A voltage V of t is equal to 10 sin omega t, that is AC supply is there, is applied to a voltage V of t is equal to 10 sin omega t is applied to a series RLC circuit at resonant frequency the maximum voltage at resonant frequency the maximum voltage across capacitor is 500 volt. The maximum voltage across capacitor is 500 volt. Okay, bandwidth is equal to 400 radian per second, and impedance at resonance is equal to 100 ohm. So what are the things you have to find out? Find resonant frequency, comma, values of L and C of the circuit. This is the total question. It was asked for 6 marks. So carefully read the question. A voltage V of t equal to 10 sin omega t is applied to series RLC circuit. So this problem belongs to series RLC circuit, that is series resonance circuit. Next thing, at resonant frequency the maximum voltage across capacitor is 500 volt. So voltage across capacitor is given at resonance, that is VC is equal to 500 volt. Okay, that is the given things. Next, bandwidth is given 400 radian per second. So bandwidth we can, if it is mentioned in terms of hertz, then it is f2 minus f1. If it is mentioned in radian per second, then it is omega 2 minus omega 1. Understood? So based on the units you have to identify. So bandwidth is defined, if it is in hertz, that is f2 minus f1. If it is radian per second, then it is in terms of omega 2 minus omega 1. Okay, so you have to check the unit of bandwidth what is given in the circuit. Next, impedance at resonance. So impedance at resonance is given 100 ohm. So what is the value of impedance at resonance? That is always R. So value of R is given, that is 100 ohm. So what are the things you have to calculate? First of all, you have to calculate resonance frequency. Then they are asking for values of L and C in the circuit. Okay, so what are the given things? You have to note down first of all everything, and then you can think how to find out the parameters like resonant frequency, because without L and C, how to find out resonant frequency? That you have to think. So I will give the 2 minutes for you people. So tell me how to solve this type of problem. What are the given things in this particular problem? So VC max, voltage across capacitor. Okay, VC max is given. So VC max value is 500 volt. Okay, that is at resonance. At resonance is the value of voltage. Now next, bandwidth is given. Bandwidth is given 400 radian per second. Okay, if you want to convert bandwidth in hertz, bandwidth, that is omega 2 minus omega 1, that is given. Okay, so if you want to calculate bandwidth in terms of f2 minus f1, then it is omega 2 minus omega 1 divided by 2 pi. So what is the value of that one? What is the value omega 2 minus omega 1? That is 400 divided by 2 pi. So this is the actual value of bandwidth in hertz. Okay, this is the given. That is, I will write hertz. Okay, so next one, this is the first one, this is the second one. So value of resistor is given, R is equal to, that is a 100 ohm, बरोबर है? 100 ohm, because the value of impedance at resonance म्हणले, at resonance what is the value of impedance? That is a Z, that is a R, and that is given as 100 ohm. So you have to calculate resonance frequency FR, you have to calculate value of L, you have to calculate the value of C. Hello? Okay, wait 1 minute. So these are the given things you can note down, and what are the factor you have to calculate, that also you can note down. Now first of all, we cannot calculate the resonance frequency without LNC, because in the formula, what is the formula for resonance frequency? Fr is equal to 1 upon 2 pi into under root LC. So without LNC we cannot find out the resonance frequency. So first of all, what we can do here, so what is the voltage, input voltage is given, that you have to find out. So input voltage, VRMS value you have to find out. Input voltage is AC, and that is V of T is equal to 10 into, that is 10 into, that is 10 into sine of omega t. Okay, this is given. Now this is the AC voltage, we need VRMS value. So for that, what, how to find out VRMS? VRMS value is equal to Vmax divided by under root 2. So Vmax means this voltage, that is 10 divided by under root 2. So calculate and tell me what is the VRMS value. VRMS value of AC supply, okay, that is Vmax divided by under root 2. Vmax is 10, 10 divided by under root 2, that is the 7 point, 7.07 volt. This is the VRMS value. Okay, now what is the voltage across capacitor at resonance? Voltage across capacitor at resonance is VC max is equal to 500 volt, बरोबर है? So based by using this value we can find out the value of Q. Anyone tell how to find out Q now? VC max म्हणजेच VC पकडा. Okay, VC is equal to 500 volt and input is given. VRMS म्हणजेच काय, V consider करा, voltage. So based on VC and V value, can we get the value of Q? Yesterday you learned that part. How to calculate Q? Loudly. ओके. सो क्वालिटी फॅक्टर इज नथिंग बट मॅग्निफिकेशन. बरोबर आहे. सो क्वालिटी फॅक्टर okay is nothing but Q is equal to voltage across capacitor divided by total voltage, or voltage across inductor divided by total voltage V. Whatever you can use, you can find out the Q value. So VC is given, and V also we have calculated. V means what? VRMS value. Now VC is 500 and V is 7.07. So this is the value of Q. That is the quality factor of the circuit. So what is the answer of quality factor here? 70.7. Okay, 72. So this is the answer of quality factor. So based on the quality factor and bandwidth तर आपण इथं कॅल्क्युलेट केलंय. बँडविड्थ आणि क्वालिटी फॅक्टर हे दोन फॉर्म्युले तुम्ही यूज केलात किंवा हे दोन इनपुट यूज केलात तर तुम्हाला रेझोनंट फ्रिक्वेन्सी मिळू शकेल. बरोबर आहे. वी गॉट दॅट एक्सप्रेशन. वी नो दॅट डेरिव्हेशन. आपण एक डेरिव्हेशन घेतलं होतं विच शोज द रिलेशन बिटवीन बँडविड्थ, क्वालिटी फॅक्टर अँड रेझोनंट फ्रिक्वेन्सी. दॅट फॉर्म्युला यू कॅन यूज टू फाइंड आउट द रेझोनंट फ्रिक्वेन्सी. सो व्हॉट इज दॅट फॉर्म्युला? काय त्याचा फॉर्म्युला? द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन क्वालिटी फॅक्टर bandwidth upon is equal to yes. So that formula we can use. So to find out resonant frequency, FR, so we have to use that formula. So what is that? Bandwidth. Okay, that bandwidth should be f2 minus f1. बरोबर आहे. In hertz. Bandwidth divided by resonant frequency is equal to 1 upon Q. So what is unknown here? FR. FR you can take in a one side. So FR is equal to Q into bandwidth. बरोबर आहे. So FR is equal to Q into bandwidth. So put the values. Q is 70.7 and bandwidth it is in hertz. 400 टाकायचं नाही. You have to put this value 400 divided by 2 pi. So put the values and tell the resonant frequency. What is the answer? Okay. Yeah. Okay. 4455. Okay. That is 4.5 kilohertz. बरोबर आहे. 4. Okay. So FR is equal to Q into bandwidth. So Q value is 70.7 and bandwidth is 400 divided by 2 pi. So FR is equal to 4500 hertz किंवा 4.5 kilohertz. Both are the same answer. So FR value is this one. Everyone got this answer? Resonant frequency? Okay. Now next thing, third parameter. We have to find that now value of L and C. We got now resonant frequency. We got that quality factor. So now next question will be how to find out the value of L and C. Who will tell? How to find out? Which formula we can use to find out L and C? भरपूर formulas आहेत to find out L and C. So first formula is Q is equal to okay omega RL divided by R. बरोबर आहे. So omega R means what? That is 2 pi FR into L divided by R. Okay. Q माहित आहे, FR माहित आहे. R माहिती आहे, L you can easily find out. चलो, put the values and find out R. Sorry, find out L. L is equal to Q into R divided by 2 pi FR. L is equal to Q into R divided by 2 pi FR. So put the values. Q is 70.7, R is 100 divided by 2 pi into 4500. So this 00 will get cancelled. Okay. So tell the answer of L. 250. Okay. 0.24. Very good. 0.24 किंवा 25 आलंय माझं. 0.25 is the answer. Okay. 0.25H. That is the value of L. Now how to find out C? Okay. That formula also you can use. C is equal to 1 upon omega R into C into R. Okay. This formula also you can use. And another formula is equation of or formula of resonant frequency. Resonant frequency मध्ये काय आहे, FR is equal to 1 upon 2 pi into under root LC. So FR is known, L is known, you can find out CL. That formula also you can use. Either you can use this one or FR is equal to 1 upon 2 pi into under root LC. FR माहिती आहे, L माहिती आहे. So you can easily find out C. Here also R माहिती आहे. Okay, here it is Q. Q माहिती आहे, R माहिती आहे, omega R माहिती आहे, C you can find out. So both formulas you have, you can use any one to find out the value of C. Chala, find out any value. Suppose you are using this one, then it is C is equal to 1 upon 2 pi FR into Q into R. So that is 1 upon 2 pi. FR is 4500. Quality factor is 70.7 into R is 100. So find out the capacitor value. C is equal to किती आलाय? ओके. 5 into 10 raised to minus 9 आले, बरोबर आहे. So 10 raised to minus 9 means nano. Okay. So this is the farad. 5 into 10 raised to minus 9 farad. That is C is equal to 5 nanofarad. 10 raised to minus 9 means nano. So capacitor value we got C is equal to 5 nanofarad. Everyone, this all values, whether you can got the same, if anyone got different, share with us. Yeah, with L value, C value, FR value, if you got different other than these, please share. या व्यतिरिक्त दुसऱ्या कोणाचे व्हॅल्यू दुसरे आलेले आहेत का व्हॅल्यूज? एव्हरीवन गॉट द सेम? प्रत्येकांना सॉल्व्ह करायचं हा. एव्हरीवन हॅज टू सॉल्व्ह. ओके. So any doubt in this problem? Question number 4. No problem in the question number 4. Okay. Now question number 5, that will be the last problem now. We are going to solve. So question number 5. A 50 ohm resistor, a 50 ohm resistor is connected in series with inductor having internal resistance. So this will be the a typical problem now. First of all, I will read and then I will explain what are the given things. A capacitor and 100 volt. Okay, that is shown in figure. Next, at resonance frequency, at frequency of 200 hertz, maximum current of zero point 0.7 ampere flows through circuit, and voltage across capacitor is 200 volt. So determine circuit constants. Determine circuit constants. So carefully read everyone the question. What are the given things? I will draw the circuit now. So resistor value is 50 ohm. That is in connected with inductor having internal resistance, and capacitor is connected, and across that capacitor or across that RLC circuit 100 volt AC supply is connected. So you have to find out the value of 50 ohm resistor is connected in series with inductor having internal resistance. So inductor is given, that is inductor is shown here with JXL is the impedance. It is having internal resistance and that internal resistance is R1. Okay, so that R1 you have to find out, and a capacitor is and 100 volt all are connected in series, means 50 ohm, then this inductor having internal resistance, capacitor and 100 volt are connected in series. That is the description given in the first line. Second one, at the frequency of 200 hertz, maximum current of 0.7 ampere flows through the circuit. So when the current will flow maximum? At resonance frequency. So this is the resonance frequency and this is the value of current at resonance, that is 0.7 ampere, and at resonance the voltage across capacitor is 200 volt. Okay, so VC is given, voltage across capacitor VC is given, that is 200 volt. So you have to find out circuit constant, that is L and C you have to find out. Okay, L and C as well as the value of R1, that is the internal resistance of the inductor. Okay, this is total a inductor having internal resistance. So what are the given things? I will note down, everyone should note down this. So value of current is given at resonance, that is 0.7 ampere. So this is at resonance 0.7. So VC is given, that is also maximum. VC is given how much? 200 volt, that is also at resonance. Next, what are the given things? That is the resonance frequency. FR is equal to 200 hertz. FR is equal to 200 hertz. Okay, so and input V is given, that is a 100 volt. So what you have to find? L and C you have to find out, that is the circuit constant. These are called as what? Circuit constants. Okay, Now, first of all, what we can find out? How to find out the value of C based on these inputs? Value of C, how to find out? Because VC is given. If VC is given, how to find out capacitor C with the help of current I? How to find out? Anyone? See here, voltage across capacitor is given. So voltage across capacitor is given. With the help of that, we can find out the value of C. Voltage across capacitor is VC is equal to I into XC. Okay, voltage across according to Ohm's law, VC is equal to I into XC. So I is given and VC is given. So what is that VC? VC value is 200. I value is zero point 0.7. So find out XC. Find out XC. So XC is equal to 200 divided by 0.7. So what is the XC again? XC म्हणजेच काय असतो? Okay, that you can keep as it is. Suppose what is XC? Okay, what is the answer? XC, tell me. 285. 285.7 बरोबर आहे. Okay, that is ohm. So you can put in a one box. XC is equal to 200 divided by 0.7, that is 285.7 ohm. Okay, now XC is equal to 1 upon omega C. बरोबर आहे. So 1 upon omega means what? 2 pi FR into C. आता इथे FR का? कारण at resonant frequency voltage across capacitor is given. Therefore frequency we have to take as a resonant frequency. So आता मला सांगा XC माहिती आहे. XC चा आन्सर किती आहे? 285.7. C व्हॅल्यू काढायचं आहे. FR चं व्हॅल्यू दिलेलं आहे. So can we find C value now? It is easy to find now. Everyone find C value now. FR दिलेला आहे 200 Hz. XC value दिलेला आहे 285.7. Only you need to calculate the value of capacitor C. Find out and tell. Okay, C is equal to what is the formula? 2 pi FR. Sorry, what is the formula for C now? 1 upon 2 pi. Okay, into XC. Okay, 1 upon 2 pi. FR value is 200 and XC is 285.7. Okay. So from this we will get the value of C is equal to किती आले? That 10 raised to minus 6 means what? Microfarad, बरोबर आहे. Okay, this is the farad. If you want to convert into micro, so C is equal to 2.785 microfarad. So this is the answer of capacitor C. So how to find out value of L? Value of L you have to find out now. Second point. त्यासाठी तुम्हाला रेझोनंट फ्रिक्वेन्सीचा फॉर्म्युला यूज करता येईल. Okay, that also you can use, or you can use this one. XL is equal to XC. Okay, so here XL is equal to XC. बरोबर आहे. आता XC फाइंड आउट केलेलं आहे. What is XL? at resonance XL is equal to XC. So XC value is known, that is same as XL. So XL is also 285.7. So what is XL? That is 2 pi FR into L. Okay, omega L. So omega L means what? 2 pi FR into L. That is 285.7. So find out the value of L now. L is equal to 285.7 divided by 2 pi FR. 285.7 divided by 2 pi into 200. So find out value of L. Or you can use the equation of or formula of resonant frequency. Both are acceptable. कुठलाही फॉर्म्युला यूज करा, but you can get the answer of L. So what is the answer you can get for L? 0.23 आलेगा. 0.23 H. Okay. Okay, 227 म्हणजेच 23. So L is equal to 0.23 Henry. Okay. So this is the value of L. So value of C you got, value of L you got. Now last parameter, that is the internal resistance of that inductor. So how to find out? Anyone? So this will be the new one. So note down. At resonance, total impedance is, that is Z is equal to total impedance म्हणजे R plus 50. Why 50? 50 is given in the circuit. Okay. So 50 and that R1, sorry, R1 is the internal resistance of inductor and 50 is given as a resistor in series. So total impedance Z is equal to R1 plus 50. So what is the value of Z? How to find out? That is V divided by I. Z is nothing but V divided by I at resonant frequency. बरोबर आहे? So E is equal to R1 plus 50. R1 plus 50. So what is the value of V? V काय? V is the input. Okay, that is 100. I च value दिले 0.7. I value is 0.7. E is equal to R1 plus 50. So can you find now R1 value and tell the R1 value now? 100 divided 92.85. Okay, 92.85 ohm. So this is the answer of R1. Okay. So everyone understood this problem, how to solve such type of problems. If you know the formulas, number of formulas are there, you can use suitable formulas to find out the answer. Okay. So if no doubt, we will stop now. In the next lecture, we will start now parallel resonance. Many more problems are there in the assignment. When you are solving assignment, you can solve such type of problems. Okay.